All right, today I have a Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats for more cargo space in the rear. All right, so I'm going to show you how to lay down flat so you can have more space. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the rear of the vehicle. You can see right here, the seats are upright, ready for passengers to get in. So what I'm going to do to lay down the seats down flat is I'm going to simply come up to the seat. I'm in the back. I'm going to come right here. Do you see this right here? There is a lever right here, and I'm just going to put my finger in here, push back or pull on it, pull it backwards. You see that? And the seats come forward and it lays down flat on this side. I'm going to show you the other side as well. So this is laid down flat. Now it's important, if you want this to go down, you have to actually have the front seats up far enough. So you might have to come up to the front and then come up here and then scoot the seat upwards so you have more space in there. An alternative way is perhaps taking out the headrest if you need the seat to be back further. So now I'm going to go to the other side of the vehicle, and I'm going to come around and I'm going to do the other side as well. All right, so I'm on this side, and you come up here, and it's simply the same thing right here. There's a button right here, right next to the headrest, and I'm going to take my finger, pull it, and it comes down like that, and it lays down just like that, and the seat's up far enough to where these can lay down. All right, and so I'm going to take this right here and lay that, and look at all that space back there in the rear. Now to put them up, you just simply come up here and you just pull it back just like that until it clicks back into its place. And then I'm going to shut the door and go into the other side of the vehicle. Other side of the vehicle. And I'm going to take this, and it clicks into place right here. And that is how you put up the seats back. So that's how you put down the seats in the Tesla Model Y, and that's how you put them back up. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.